Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to redeem air miles for an Amazon gift card. So I'm logged into my air miles account. I currently have 910 air miles. Click on rewards in the menu up top and then choose e-vouchers from this drop-down menu. It'll bring you to this page. Scroll down and then make sure that the region is correct, in my case Ontario. And also e-vouchers should be checked. If I scroll down, you can see there are many choices. I'll choose Amazon and it'll bring me to this page. I'm going to choose the $50 Amazon gift card option, which requires 475 cash miles, and then I'll click on Order Now. On this page, I'll choose this option and then click on Continue to Next Step. Make sure to review the information and then scroll down. Check this box after you've read the terms and conditions, and then click on Place Order. You'll get a confirmation with an order number. And if you click on My Orders, on this page, click on Details, then scroll down, and then click on Redeem Now. It will then prepare your Amazon gift card and then bring you to this page where you'll find the Amazon gift card claim code. You can then log into your Amazon account and on the gift card redemption page, enter the claim code into this box and then click on Apply to your account. You'll get a confirmation, and that's pretty much it. Now, before I wrap up, I just want to mention a couple of things. First, you'll also receive an email confirmation from Air Miles with details on how to redeem your Amazon gift card. Secondly, when I attempted to redeem my Air Miles for an Amazon gift card, I got this error message, and I had to contact Air Miles, and they needed to verify my email address linked to my Air Miles account. Hopefully, you do not have to go through this, but that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.